Palm tree, not a jealous mango. He knows saying oil get value. He turn steady. In oil dey sweet for kitchen and for market. You too know they use another person blessing, they measure your life. Oh. God don't gift you your own oil. Wait, make it right. Because he go say wara. The book of the Lord say, Ecclesiastes 3 verse 11. God make all things different, but all good for your own time. This one me say, not compare yourself with another person blessing, Palm tree, not a bear sweet fruit like mango, but in oil they precious and useful. Your gift, it gets in old time to shine.
This na Greywood Whispers. Voice when not loud, but get sense.